Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to go ahead and do another news video, particularly regarding this volcanic eruption which is occurring in Hawaii right now, which is slowly enveloping everything and creeping up. This one individual actually posted that it's like a Goliath monster, and he said it sounds like a roaring jet engine. So that was some of the latest news that came in this morning regarding this Hawaii volcanic eruption. And this could be going on for quite some time, several months, maybe even longer. This was posted from Euronews regarding this eerily looking smiley face in the volcanic eruption captured by an aerial drone which flew over. So I'm going to show you the video. Now, this might be real. I assume it's real. If it's not, I apologize, but it's from Euronews, so I'm assuming it's real. Again, all rights go to the individuals who uploaded this. Turn the volume down a little bit anyway. This is some of its early stages when it was erupting. But again, that smiley face they show is quite something. This is some of the latest footage coming in YouTube videos. As you can hear, he said he described it like a roaring jet engine. The person that spoke with the news and posted online, and it does sound extremely loud.
That's the river. The river's moving. Down the way, Lonnie. Just kind of cutting left before Kakapu. We're heading towards the bottom intersection.
And I just got a video recommended for me of this giant crack in New Zealand. This is aerial footage of this giant crack that opened up in the country of New Zealand. So we have this humongous, gigantic crack. Check out this huge opening in the ground in New Zealand. Goes down as far as the eyes can see. And some of these openings were several stories high, or deep, several stories deep, they stated. So back to the volcanic eruption in Hawaii. This is just slowly enveloping everything. And as you can hear, they said it's rocks, like gigantic rocks being. You can hear the roaring and rumbling, and locals stated that it sounds like large rocks in a washing or a blender, coupled with this roaring jet engine, along with the earthquakes. And there have been hundreds and hundreds of earthquakes. I would say I would estimate nearly 600 earthquakes in the past couple of days have struck Hawaii. Of course, the land of Hawaii was formed by volcanoes. This footage came in by a helicopter.
Next to the fissure right now, and it is going.
So the footage that I've shown here is courtesy of Euronews and Phobos Planet. So thanks to those YouTube channels and other YouTubers as well for uploading these videos, these incredible videos, this incredible footage coming out of Hawaii right now. And this was from RT News of Russia. They said it was, they described it as Armageddon-like, apocalyptic-like, Armageddon-like fire, like scenes. Armageddon-like scenes of lava continue to flow in the Kilauea volcano, or Kilauea volcano. This is what it looked like in one residential area. That should be the road. And as you can see, the electric lines, the power lines. And this was the aftermath.
It's not advanced anymore here.
And the cracks that are taking place in the ground. And in many places, these toxic gases, these deadly sulfuric gases, are rising out of the ground into the air and atmosphere of the area. I'm going to put squigglies around this video because this is the world news and I don't want copyright issues. But all credits go to CBS News here. They said the good news is the lava flow has slowed down for today, but that can and will likely change as time moves on. That could literally change at any moment.
A fountain of lava more than 100 feet high, telephone poles lighting up like matchsticks, and this time-lapse video shows a house being consumed molten rock. These are the haunting images of Kilauea unleashing fury. The lava has already devoured more than 24 homes in the neighborhood of Leilani Estates. This car never stood a chance.
Up here in the helicopter, you can really see the destruction down below. You don't see any firefighters down there because there is nothing they can do. This is an unstoppable force.
High levels of toxic sulfur dioxide gas and hundreds of earthquakes still rock this community. Kilauea has been in a constant state of eruption since 1983. The most recent eruptions were caused in part by the collapse of a crater that was filled with lava. Caved in, the lava traveled along a hose-like tunnel underground called where pressure built up and formed cracks that burst, spewing lava hundreds of feet into the air. We hiked through thick brush to see the lava up close. At first glance, it may not look like the lava is moving at all, but slowly inching forward along the road. Again, at a moment's notice, Kalena Kealoha fled the California wildfires for his dream home here. Now the lava flows are just feet away.
It's always amazing and frightening to watch this lava slowly inch forward. Carter, how long do we need to continue to flow for?
Jeff, scientists say they've really got no prediction on how long this could last. There was a similar eruption in this area back in 1955. That one lasted for 88 days.
Wow, Carter Evans, thank you very much.
A cell phone alert for residents to leave homes to avoid sulfur dioxide gas. The gas can be life-threatening at high levels.
So at less than a mile per hour. And again, I'm still on Makame. Backing up.
In the Kilauea National Guard here behind me, and residents alike, they just have to sit by and watch their neighborhood get devoured. Overnight, another crack in the Kilauea volcano causing continuous eruptions. Lava skyrocketing 300 feet in the air as it devours everything in its path, threatening.
This is from USA Today, and as you can see and hear, it does sound very loud. It would be very loud to hear this volcanic eruption. That's what it sounds like close. So those individuals that stated it sounds like a roaring jet engine, I can understand why. And like rocks being put in a blender or a washing machine or dryer. So anyway, much love to all going through this, and much love to everyone. I just decided to give you a compilation of the world news updates regarding mainly the volcanic eruptions taking place and the earthquakes happening in Hawaii, as well as the massive crack that opened up in New Zealand. So much love, and stay as safe as possible. Peace. Bye. Feel free to email and comment. I hope to speak with you again very soon. Bye. Peace.